introvert.
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ. Từng đêm nhớ từng tin nhắn không ai biết được. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh. But that's enough, your item moves, it's over tonight. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi với you and I.
I've been battling with connecting my microphone for a couple of minutes. There was a time I was sick, you guys, and this is the medication I was taking. I was able to finish this one and this one here, but this one I'm still finding it difficult to complete my medication. But I'm trying. Am I the only one who finds it difficult to take medication? What I do is I take my drugs. If I feel better, I stop. And if my body seems like, oh, it's coming back, I resume taking it. That's what I do.
Please don't say you love me. 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 Mỗi lần hoan hôn dần buông xuống từ gần bên nhau hơn. Mà nhìn âu im làm em mơ mình ngỡ rằng đã yêu nhau, trao nhau những hy vọng nghe dây dứt trong lòng. Is it love? Is it real? Oh baby don't say you. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi way you and I. Những ký ức khiến ta mệt nhoài đã đến lúc buông bờ vai.
I don't know, sometimes I find it so difficult to speak English.
Please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you. Love you, no, no. Please don't say you love me. You love me, 'cause I don't wanna hurt me. Hurt me. Please don't say you love me. Please don't say jealous of the feelings that you get, and I can't even take the thoughts that you won't be with me. I think I really like you too. See you looking overhead at me. Baby, can't come back home. That you never thought would exist from my past, and I can't tell if you're just ready for me. Yeah. Standing in your driveway, I can hardly think straight. There's so much left to say. It's written on your face. Can't believe you're leaving. Tell me if you feel it. Look me in the eyes, so I can see you one more time. Would you ever dive in deep? Would you stay or would you leave and let it fade away? Or try to change our fate? Should I just confess? Should I
That one in our own, anyone. I want to buy a water.
I loved you? Would you think about it twice? No matter what comes next, if it's where the story ends, we don't have the time to wait before we reach our expiration date. Bringing out the boxes, and my only thought is, if there's one for me, for all our memories. And I don't even know how to process how it all happened so soon. But even if it can't change, I still gotta ask you, would you ever dive in deep? Would you jump in after me? Or let it all fall down and watch me as I drown? Should I just confess? Should I let it pass me by? If I told you that I loved you, would you think about it twice? No matter what comes next, if it's where the story ends, we don't have the time to wait before we reach our expiration date. Oh, and if it's not the right time, I'll find you again someday. But how can I just stand by and let the time go to waste? I don't wanna run no more. I'll be by your side if you think that's right. Should I just confess? Should I let it pass me by? If I told you that I loved you, would you think about it twice? No matter what comes next, if it's where the story ends, we don't have the time to wait before we reach our expiration.
From my voice, you can tell that I'm really very tired. So what I want to do now is enter the bathroom, take my bath, wash those fruits I bought, and eat them. I don't think I'm going to be able to cook today. So you guys, when I was starting this vlog, I was very scared that I might not know how to vlog. This is my first attempt. Do you think I'm good at vlogging? Please give me your honest opinion in the comments, right?